Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMaths. ADMaths for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefits from this course. As you know students, we have done already done chapter number 1 from this book, name is function, and we started chapter number 2, name simultaneous equations and quadratics, and we have done first three exercises 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. But some students insisted me to do exercise 6.5 first and then continue chapter number 2. So for their request I started exercise 6.5 and I did question number 1 question number 1 in my last lecture. Today we are doing some more questions from this exercise 6.5. So let's have a look question number 2. Show that 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 15 can be written as 2 into 2 power x minus 1 upon 2 into 2 power x is equals to 15. And this is very easy part. First we have to write part A. 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 15. Student, we have to apply indices rule on this exponent sign 2 power x plus 1 and 2 power x minus 1. So this is 2 power x plus 1. We can write this in terms of 2 power x dot 2 power 1. Here dot means multiply. And the rule of indices is when the bases are same, then powers will be added. So 2 power x into 2 power 1 again 2 power x plus 1. Similarly, we can write this 2 power x dot 2 power minus 1. And this 15 remains 15. Again, if we apply the rule of indices, we will get 2 power x minus 1 because when the bases are same, then powers can be added or subtracted. Now, this is 2 power 1 can just be write 2 into 2 power x minus this is 2 power minus 1. We can write this 2 power minus 1 as 1 upon 2 and this is 2 power x remains 2 power x is equals to 15. Here we go. This is the requirement of part A shown. This is the answer of part A. Okay, shown. We have shown and we have fulfilled the requirement. Part B. Hence find the value of 2 power x. Find the value of 2 power x. It's very easy. But before we find the value of 2 power x, we just keep in mind we have applied the method of substitution. First, we have to take the answer of part A, and please keep in mind whenever you see the word hence immediately after the previous part, it means we have to use the answer of previous part. So this is part B, hence find the value of 2 power x means we have to take the answer of part A. What is the answer of part A? 2 multiplied by 2 power x minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 power x is equals to 15. This is the answer of part A. Now, the requirement of part B is find the value of 2 power x. So first we have to let 2 power x is equals to y. So put y where you see 2 power x. So your question become 2 power x means y minus 1 upon 2. 2 power x means y is equals to 15. This is 2y and this is minus 1 upon 2y is equals to 15. 2y minus 1 upon 2y. You can take the LCM or you can evaluate directly. 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 upon 2 y is equals to 15. Y is equals to this 3 upon 2 is multiply. This should reciprocal. So if we have a fraction on one side, then we will reciproc on other side. So 3 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 3 on other side. Then y is equals to 3 5s the 15 and 5 2s the 10. What is y actually? Y is, you can see, 2 power x. 2 power x is equals to 10. So this is the answer of part B. The requirement of part B was hence find the value of 2 power x. So by the method of substitution, we have find the value of 2 power x which is equals to 10. Come to part C. Find the value of x. Very easy. Just take the answer of part B. 2 power x is equals to 10. Now we need to find the value of x. So we have to take logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm LG on both sides, LG 10. Student, LG means logarithm of base 10, and your calculator is normal scientific calculator is work only on logarithm with base 10. The rule of logarithm is power should be right before the log. So this becomes x log 2 is equals to log 10. This log 2 is multiply over here. This should divide on other side. So it will be log 10 upon log 2. This is x. This is x. So log 10 upon log 2 is 3.32. 3.32. This is the answer of part C, the value of x. So very easy question and very interesting question, question number 2. Now move to question number 3. This is question number 3. There are part A to part E. 5 parts in this questions, and we will do all parts. No problem. Very easy. Question number 3, part A. Solve giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Part A is 2 power 2, sorry, 2 power x, 2 power x plus 2 minus 2 power x is equals to 4. Very easy. We will apply the same method which we did in previous question number 2. Break this 2 power x plus 2 in terms of 2 power x into 2 power 2 minus 2 power x is equals to 4. 2 power 2 is 4. So it will become 4 into 2 power x minus 2 power x is equals to 4. 4 into 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power x is 3 into 2 power x. Sorry, 2 power x is equals to 4. Please keep in mind here dot means multiply. Okay. Then 2 power x is equals to 4. This 3 should be divided on other side. 4 upon 3 is 1.33. So 2 power x is equals to 1.33. Taking log on both sides. So it will be log 2 power x is equals to log 1.33. Now write x before log, x log x log 2 power x. So x log 2 is equals to log 1.33. Then then x is equals to log 1.33 upon log 2. Use calculator to find log 1.33 upon log 2. Answer is 0.415. 0.415. The requirement is to write the answer in 3 significant figures. Okay. So this is the answer of part A. Come to part B. But if your answer is slightly different like 0.415 and if you get 0.411, no matter. Okay. Slightly different answer, very slightly. Slightly means very, very slightly. It is, I am not saying that if the correct answer is 0.14, 0.415 and if your answer 0.514, you will get wrong answer. So slightly difference means very slightly. Okay. Part B. 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x minus 1 minus 8 is equals to 0. Very easy. First write 2 power x into 2 power 1 minus 2 power x into 2 power minus 1 and move this minus and 8 on other side. It will be plus 8. Then 2 power 2 into 2 power x minus 1 upon 2, because this is 2 power minus 1, is equals to 8. 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 upon 2 into 2 power x is equals to 8. Then 2 power x is equals to, again, reciprocal of 3 upon 2 is 2 upon 3. This should multiply by 8. 8 into 2 upon, sorry, 3 upon 2. I'm sorry, 3 upon 2 is 2 upon 3. Yes. So 2 power x is equals to 8 to the 16 upon 3. Taking log on both sides, we will get x is equals to, I am doing directly, log 16 upon 3 divided by log 2. I hope you understand. I skip one step. Okay. Now by using calculator, we will find log 16 upon 3 upon log 2. Answer is 2.42. Our answer is 2.42. 100% correct answer. So hope you understand part B. Now start part C. Part C is 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 8, 3 to the power x minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. Apply the same theory, 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1 minus 8 into 3 to the power x into 3 to the power minus 1, and this minus 5 shifted on other side, it will be positive 5. Then 3 into 3 power x minus 8 into 3 power x, and this 3 minus 1 becomes 1 upon 3 is equals to 5. Then 3 into 3 power x minus 8 upon 3, you can multiply this 8 by 1, 8 upon 3 into 3 power x is equals to 5. Taking LCM 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 into 3 power x. Please, you must know how to take LCM. Okay. 3 power x, this 3 is divided over here. This should multiply by 5. 3 5 the 15. Then log x is equals to log 15 upon log 3. X is equals to, answer is 2.46. Okay. Very easy. So I skipped one step. I didn't show taking log on both sides and didn't show x right first and then log. Okay. Because I hope that after doing so many parts, you can understand if I do the questions directly. Now come to part D. Part D is 2 power x plus 2 minus 2 power x minus 3 is equals to 12. Very easy. You can write 2 power x into 2 power 2 minus 2 power x into 2 power minus 3 into 12. 2 power 2 is 4. So 4 into 2 power x. Please keep in mind this point is not decimal. This is dot. Dot means multiply. Okay. Minus 2 power x upon 2 power minus 3 become 2 power 3 in denominator. 4 into 2 power x minus 2 power x 2 power 3 is 8. Now 4 into 2 power x minus 2 power x upon 8, taking LCM. 8 4 the 32. 32 minus 1 is 31 upon 8 into 2 power x is equals to 12. Now 2 power x is equals to 12 into 8 upon 31. Reciprocal. 2 power x is equals to 12. It's a 96 upon 31. Taking log on both sides, x is equals to log 96 upon 31 upon log 2. Now, with the help of calculator, find log 96 upon 31 upon log 2. Answer is 1.63. So this is the answer of part D. Now come to part E. This is the last part of question number 3. Five power x minus 5 power x, right, into 5 power 2. Move this 125 on other side. It will be minus 125. Now 5 power x minus 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is 25, and this 5 power x remains 5 power x minus 1 to 5. This is 1 into 5 power x. This is 25 into 5 power x. So 1 minus 25 is minus 24 into 5 power x is equals to minus 25. This minus cancel by this minus. So 5 power x is equals to 1 to 5. Taking log on both sides, it will be x is equals to log 1 to 5 upon log 5. Now use calculator to find the answer. Sorry students, I did one mistake. I forgot to divide this by 24. This 24 is multiply over here. This should divide by. So this is my mistake. Now taking log on both sides, log 5 power x is equals to log 125 upon 24. Sorry. Now x log 5 is equals to log 125 upon 24. Then x is equals to log 125 upon 24 upon log 5. Now we will get the correct answer. Now our answer is 1.025, and after rounding off we will write 1.03. 1.03. This is the correct answer. So hope you understand all parts of question number 3. Now move to question number 4. Here we go. Question number 4. Use the substitution y is equals to 3 power x to solve the equation 3 power 2x plus 2 is equals to 5 into 3 power x. Very easy question. First write the given question 3 power 2x plus 2 is equals to 5 into 3 power x. This is 3 power 2x. If I write this 3 power 2x in terms of 3 power x into 2, is it correct or not? Yes, 100% correct. Because according to the rule of indices, power to the power is always multiply. So 3 power x and then power 2 means x into 2, again we will get 2x. Okay. Plus 2 is equals to 5 into 3 power x. Now, according to question, we have to put y is equals to 3 power x. It means we will put y where we see 3 power x. So this is 3 power x, this is y, and this is 2 remains 2. It will be y square plus 2 is equals to 5 into 3 power x. 3 power x is y. So y square minus 5y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. But we cannot solve this quadratic equation by using middle term break method, because the middle term value is greater than the value of extreme. Means if we multiply 2 by 1 we will get 2. So there are no two numbers which have multiple of 2 and addition and subtraction of 5. So we will use quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Y is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root upon 2a. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 2. Now put these values in the formula. Y is equals to minus b is minus 5 plus minus b square minus 5 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 2 root upon 2a, a is 1. So y is equals to minus minus plus 5 plus minus 5 square is 25, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, root upon 2 1 is 2. 5 plus minus 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8, what? 18. No, 25 minus 8 is 17. Sorry. So 17 root upon 2. Now y is equals to 5 plus root 17 upon 2, comma, the other value is 5 minus root 17 upon 2. Now we will use calculator and find the value directly from the calculator. Answer is 4.56. 5 plus root 16 upon 2 is 4.56. And y is equals to 5 minus root 17 upon 2. Answer is 0.438. 0.438. But student, this is not our final answer. Please keep in mind, if the question in the form of x, where answer is also in the form of x, this y is just help us to calculate the values, but this is not the final answer. How to get the final answer? Taking the value of y again. What is the correct value of y given in the question? Y is equals to 3 power x. So replace this y by 3 power x. 3 power x is equals to 4.56. Taking log on both sides, we will get x is equals to log 4.56 upon log 3. Now this is the final answer. Find the value with the help of calculator. Answer is 1.38. Sorry for late, 1.38. Similarly, taking logarithm on both sides, this y becomes 3 power x, originally 0.438. Taking log on both sides, we will get x is equals to log 0.438 upon log 3. So x is equals to minus 0.751 minus 0.751. So these two values, x is equals to 1.38 and x is equals to minus 0.751, is our final answer. Hope you understand this question. Very easy, very interesting, and very important. Now move to part 5. Move to question 5. This is question number 5. Solve giving your answer correct to three significant figures. Same question, just like question number 4. Start part A. Part A is 3 power 2x minus 6 into 3 power x plus 5 is equals to 0. First write this 3 power 2x is 3 power x and power 2. 6 into 3 power x plus 5 is equals to 0. Let y is equals to 3 power x, just like in previous question number 4. Then this will become y square minus 6y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation and we can solve this equation by using middle term break method. So y square minus 5y minus 1y plus 5 is equals to 0. Taking first two and last two, taking y is common, y minus 5 minus 1 is common, y minus 5 is equals to 0. Y minus 5 and y minus 1 is equals to 0. Then from this y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 1. Now because the question is in the form of x, so our answer should also be in the form of x. So y, what is y actually was? 3 power x. is equals to 5. Taking log x is equals to log 5 upon log 3. So x is equals to, what is the answer? Answer is 1.46. Answer is 1.46. Now this y is equals to 1 and y actually was 3 power x is equals to 1. We can solve this equation without the help of calculator. How? 3 power x is equals to 1, so we can write this 1 into 3 power 0, because something to the power 0 is always 1. So 1 becomes 3 power 0. And the rule of indices is, if we have same basis with equal sign, so power will be equal. So x is equals to 0. So we have two answers, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1.46. Okay, this is part A. Hope you understand. Now come to part B. What is part B? You can see on the screen, 4 power 2x minus 6 into 4 power x minus 7 is equals to 0. Again, this is 4 power x power 2 minus 6 into 4 power x minus 7 is equals to 0. Taking 4 power x is y, let y is equals to 4 power x, then this will become y square minus 6y minus 7 is equals to 0. Apply the middle term break method, it will be y square minus 7y plus 1y minus 7 is equals to 0. Take first two and last two. Y is common, y minus 7 plus 1 is common, y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now y minus 7 and y plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to 7 and y is equals to minus 1. And what is y? Actually is y is 4 power x. So 4 power x is equals to 7. Now taking log on both sides, we will get x is equals to log 7 upon log 4. So x is equals to, with the help of calculator, we will find log 7 upon log 4. Answer is 1.40. This is the first answer, 1.40. And this is y power, y is equals to minus 1. So it will be 4 power x is equals to minus 1. And taking log on both sides, x is equals to log minus 1 upon log 4. Definitely we will get math error. Student, if we find the log of minus value, the answer is always undefined. So x is equals to undefined. You can check with the help of calculator if you find the log minus 1 upon log 4. So log of minus something is always undefined. So it will have only one answer of part B, that is 1.40. Hope you understand. This is part B. Now come to part C. Part C is 2 power 2x minus 2 power x minus 20 is equals to 0. Again write this 2 power x and then 2 minus 2 power x minus 20 is equals to 0. Let y is equals to 2 power x. It will be y square minus y minus 20 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Middle-term break method. Y square minus 5y plus 4y minus 20 is equals to 0. Taking y is common, y minus 5 plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. Y minus 5 into y plus 4 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 5. Y is equals to minus 4 is the answer of y. Now, what is actually y is? Y is 2 power x. So 2 power x is equals to 5. Taking log on both sides, x is equals to log 5 upon log 2. So x is equals to 2.32. 2.32. And y, what is y? Y is 2 power x is equals to minus 4. And I told you in previous part, if we have minus value, if we take logarithm on both sides, we will get log 2 power x is equals to log of minus 4. So negative log is not defined. Therefore, we have only one answer, x is equals to 2.32.